मेरे को कोई बोलेगा कि टेक केयर ऑफ माई बंगलो यू नो एंड तेरे को जो यूज करना है करते हो, जो खाना पीना है खा पी, ओके, बट प्लीज मेरे लिए फेवर कर. I'll be like, okay, you know, why would I mind? Okay, so Lorenzo definitely has no problem. But before he could ask a question कि आप जा कहाँ रहे हो, Portia clarifies it. Portia tells him कि Nerissa and I, till our husband's return, we have decided to go to a nearby monastery and meditate over there and pray over there for our husband's safe return. Such a pativrata wife she is, right? झूठ बोल रही है. Okay, I do desire you, I do request you. Desire you is I do request you not to deny this imposition. The word imposition मतलब request. Deny is refuse. So please do not refuse this request that I'm making to you, that my love and some necessity lays upon you. Okay, so if again I have to think from the exam point of view also. So the last 3 lines of this dialogue can come as an RTC, and they'll ask you, what does Portia refer to by love and some necessity? Now this necessity has 2 possible answers, because according to Portia's lie, she's going to a monastery, okay? But the reality is what's going to happen now. We come to know that Portia has decided to go to Venice in a disguise, okay? She decides to dress up like a guy as a lawyer and go and try and help Bassanio save Antonio, but she doesn't want to tell anyone about this. Now why not? Why doesn't Portia want to tell people about her plan? ये हम बाद में करेंगे, बाद में ऐसे थोड़ी देर के बाद मैं तुमको बताता हूँ. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी, लोरेंजो को क्या ही तकलीफ है, वो बोलता है ठीक है ना मैडम, आपको जो चाहिए मैं करूंगा, आई एम रेडी फॉर इट. एंड पोर्शिया बोलती है मैंने सब सर्वेंट्स को बोल दिया ऑलरेडी इसके बारे में, राम शाम सबको पता है, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि वो बोले कल उठ के लोरेंजो कि यार जा शाम मेरे को जाके आलू पराठा बना के दे, नहीं लाइए तू कौन है. पोर्शिया सेज my people already do know of my mind. Okay, my people over here refers to a servant. They will acknowledge you and Jessica, as in they will consider you and Jessica as they consider me and Bassanio until we return. Lorenzo salam करता है, उसको बोलता है okay, fair thoughts and happy hours attend on you, goodbye. And Jessica भी बोलती है goodbye, and Portia भी बोलती है goodbye. Okay, तो तीनों एक दूसरे को next 3 lines में bye बोलते हैं, लंबे चौड़े goodbyes. They are like my mom. Okay, in Gujarati cultures you have to say long goodbyes, you know, like एक बार घर के अंदर जब हम सोफा से उठते हैं कि okay mom I'm leaving, चलो I'll see you, bye. Then mom is like okay. फिर हम लोग एक बार वापस से मॉम कुछ खाना वाना पैक करके देगी, फिर किचन पे से बोलेगी चल ठीक है मैं निकल रहा हूँ मॉम बाय. मॉम वापस से बोलेगी बाय, फिर दरवाजे पे बोलेगी बाय, फिर 2 फ्लोर्स नीचे आके मॉम बोलेगी बाय, फिर बालकनी से चिल्ला के बोलेगी बाय. ओके, और फिर गाड़ी जब टोल नाका तक पहुंच जाएगी तो वहां से भी हाथ ऊंचा करके मैं बोलूंगा बाय और मॉम को सुनाई देगा वहां पे. ठीक है, दैट्स हाउ द गुजरातीज डू इट. ओके, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दीस गाइज वर डूइंग. ओके, दे आर लाइक लंबा लंबा गुड बाय. द लाइन इज फेयर थॉट्स एंड हैप्पी आवर्स अटेंड अपॉन यू, मतलब गुड बाय. आई विश योर लेडीशिप ऑल हार्ट्स कंटेंट, व्हिच मींस गुड बाय. आई थैंक यू फॉर योर विश एंड आई विश इट back upon you, goodbye. Okay, so the next 3 dialogues are goodbye. ये बोल के Jessica and Lorenzo exit. अब कौन बाकी रह गया स्टेज के ऊपर? We have Portia, we have Nerissa and we have Katappa. Katappa बोले तो Balthazar. Portia Balthazar को एक लेटर देती है, बोलती है Balthazar, as I've always found thee as in you, as I've always found you what? Loyal. Okay, so as I've always found you honest, true, as I've always found you honest and true, let me find you still. Let me still test that loyalty. Take this letter and use all the endeavor of a man. Endeavor is speed, efforts. Okay, take this letter and use all the speed that you possibly can and rush towards Padua. Padua is a place in Italy. Okay, it's next to Venice. It's closer to Venice. I wish this was a live lecture. 99 out of 100 times kids laugh over here because hey, Padua, but it's an actual name. Alright, now unfortunately it's a smelly place. Bad joke, I know. Alright, sorry. But unfortunately it's a real place. Okay, Padua is a place in Italy. वो लोग को हिंदी मालूम नहीं था, तो जब वो लोग ने ये नाम रखा तब सोचा नहीं था कि आगे जाके इंडियंस इसका मजाक उड़ाएंगे. So she says go and speed to Padua and see that you render, see that you give. Render is give. See that you give this letter to my cousin whose name is Dr. Bellario. Now when I say doctor, it doesn't mean doctor here, it means lawyer. Okay, so give this letter to Dr. Bellario and see what notes and garments he does, does give you. Okay, so तू जब उसको लेटर देगा, वो लेटर पढ़ के उसको मालूम पड़ जाएगा उसको क्या करना है. He's gonna give you some things in return. Take those things and bring them. I request you, I pray thee, I pray these, I request you bring them in full speed, okay, unto the Tranect. Okay, Tranect is a port from where the common ferry departs towards Venice. Okay, तो वहां पे हम लोग को मिल, हम लोग ऑलरेडी थे, पहले पहुंच जाएंगे and we are heading there. अब किसी को कुछ पूछना मत, किसी को कुछ बोलना मत. Okay, this is just between you and me. Waste no time in words. Do not say anything, do not ask anything, just go. But go, get thee gone. But get thee gone is go fast. I shall be there before you. I shall be there over here. It's a Tranect. I shall be at the Tranect before you. Balthazar बोलता है I will do it. I shall go with all convenient speed, which simply means बाहुबली. ऐसे करके कटप्पा निकल जाता है वहां से. ठीक है, now on stage it's only Portia and Nerissa. Portia अपना grand plan plan Nerissa के साथ share करती है. Okay, so let's do this plan, and I'm also on my last side of the textbook. Okay, so we'll wrap the scene up in next 2 minutes. Come on, Nerissa, I have work now that you don't know of. Okay, I have a plan. I have some work that you're not aware of yet. We shall see our husbands before they think of us. Nerissa's surprised. She like, will they see us too? Like, we will see our husbands definitely, but will our husbands see us too? So Portia says they shall. They shall as in they shall see us, but in such a habit. The word habit is disguise. They shall see us in such a disguise and such an attire that they shall think we are accomplished with that we lack. Okay? Now here, what she means is they shall see us as men, which we aren't. They shall see us as lawyers, which we aren't. Okay, so they shall see us with accomplishments that we lack, which we don't have. अब last dialogue, ये जो last dialogue जब भी हम करते हैं हमें लगता है पोर्शिया बावड़ी हो गई है, you know, like why is she saying these things? पगला गई है. Okay, but it's actually an important dialogue because Portia is trying to convince Nerissa that dressing up like men is not such a bad idea. A couple of minutes back, I had told you that I'll let you know why Portia feels it's necessary for them to dress up and go as a secretively. Why can't they just go as women? Because in Elizabethan era, people did not take women seriously. It's an orthodox society. Women were not taken seriously. Hence, in order to save Antonio, Portia has to go through this entire tamjam of dressing up like men so that she's at least allowed to travel and she's taken seriously by people in the court. Alright? She tells Nerissa that I convince you that we will be able to fool people. So how does she say this? She tells Nerissa that I'll hold thee any wager. I'll hold thee any wagers. I bet you anything. I bet you anything, Nerissa, that when you and I are accoutred is dressed up. When you and I are dressed up like men, I will be the more handsome of the two. But the word is not handsome. She says I'll be the prettier of the two. Prettier is I'll be the more dashing of the two of us. I'll wear my dagger with a braver grace. Okay, wear my daggers. I'll carry my dagger with more swag than you will. I'll speak between the change of man and boy. Puberty, right? When it strikes, the voice changes. So she says, I'll speak with a shrill voice. Reed voice is a high-pitched voice, okay? So I'll try and convince people that I'm still a young chap, which is why my voice is not very manly. I'll turn two mincing steps. Mincing steps is small steps into manly strides. Manly strides are long steps, okay? So I'll turn two small steps into one manly stride. I'll speak of phrase. They are going to travel in a ferry with unruly men, so they have to convince other people कि भाई हमसे पंगे नहीं लेने का भाई. She tells Nerissa that I'll speak of phrase. Phrase is battles, fights, okay? So I'll be like, भाई वो राडे में कल अपन लोग गए थे ना यार, मैंने 2 बॉटल फोड़ा उसके सिर पे भाई, अभी वो हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गया भाई, कोई मेरे साथ पंगे नहीं लेगा भाई यहाँ पे. So everyone on the ferry will be convinced that I'm this person that you don't want to really mess with. And I'll tell quaint lies. Quaint lies are small lies, like a bragging youth. Bragging is boastful, okay? जो लोग बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं अपने लैंग्वेज में? बच्चन देते हैं ना लोग, है बोल बच्चन. So I'll be like a बोल बच्चन, okay? So I'll tell quaint lies about how honorable women sought my love. So not only am I this bhai that you don't want to mess with, but I'm also this handsome dude. And a lot of women, you know, they sent me requests on Tinder and Instagram, okay? They DM'd me on Instagram and I left swiped them, okay? But the point is, she says that I'll tell people how honorable women sought my love. Sought my love is tried to flirt with me, but I denied it. I said, sorry, I'm a one-woman man, okay? And it broke their heart and then they died. And I feel bad about it. I feel that I should have not let them down. And how these women, I broke their hearts and they died. ये सारे झूठ मैं बोलूंगी जैसे लड़के लोग नॉर्मली झूठ बोलते हैं. Okay, so I'll say all these lies in order to convince people that I am a dude. Alright, so 20 such puny lies I'll say. Puny is small lies, worthless. 20 such white lies I'll say in order to convince people that I have left school 12 months ago. 12 months ago is I dropped out of school a year ago, which simply means I'm a young guy who's just done with schooling 12 months back, okay, a year ago. I have within my mind 1,000 raw tricks of such bragging jacks. Bragging jacks is a phrase used for boys who brag a lot, okay? Jack over here is not a particular guy. Bragging jacks together, the phrase means boys who brag a lot, boys who boast a lot, जो लोग बहुत बड़ा ही मार, उनकी तरह मैं भी झूठ बोलूंगी. अब चल जल्दी, मेरे को लेट हो रहा है. Rest of the plan I'll tell you on the way. There's a coach waiting for us. Coach is a carriage. I'll tell you my whole device. Device is plan. I'll tell you my whole plan on the way. Alright, and ye bolke Portia and Nerissa also exit. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with Act 3 Scene 4. I know that I hardly looked at the camera for this video. Sorry about that. Okay, but did you understand what I was teaching or trying to teach? If you have, if the scene was useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I never thought that I'll be saying these words, but I've realized that if you have a YouTube channel, you have to keep reminding people to like the video, to share the video, or possibly to just subscribe to your channel. Okay, so do either of these things. I don't mind. I'll give you more marks in your test next time. Okay, I'm kidding. I love you guys, all right, and I hope to see you guys next time.